Factorize P4 minus 81. Answer P4 we have to write it as P square whole square minus 81 9 square. 9 square is 81. Here we use a square minus b square equal to a plus b, a minus b formula. Here a is p square and b is 9. Therefore a plus b, a is p square plus b is 9. A minus b, a is p square minus b is 9. P square plus 9 into p square minus 9. P square minus 9 is 3 square. 3 square is 9. P square plus 9 into here again use this formula a square minus b square. Here a plus b into a minus b is answer.